Let me start by saying I am not a seasoned or experienced wood turner. I'm self-taught with a little encouragement here and there from friends and from some of you. For a newer turner like me, a coffee scoop is a simple project to start out or practice on. So good on you for thinking about giving it a shot. But before we just jump to the lathe, you'll need a blank like this one here. If you haven't watched the video about making blanks like these, then take a second, jump back to this video up here and give it a watch. I'll show you how to get bubble-free blanks without a pressure pot using Amazing Deep Pour. With our blank in hand, I'm going to hop over to the drill press to put a hole in both ends. One a little bit bigger to fit the actual coffee scoop and live tailstock, and the other to give the drive center a locator. A center finder like this helps me find exactly where I need to drill, and the coffee scoop itself tells me how deep I'll need to make the hole. Now it's over to the lathe to get things chucked up, and I'm ready for turning. I'll use this roughing gouge to work the blank to a rough, rounded shape, and then switch over to one of these awesome carbide tools from Carter to get it dialed in. I'll do a quick check for roundness by seeing if my tool bounces anywhere along the piece. If it's bouncing somewhere, you've still got some work to do. I'll be using a caliper to make sure the end of my handle matches the head of the scoop exactly. It makes for a clean, professional finish, worth the hassle. With that done, I'll use a pencil to mark where I want to put my beads or coves, grab my spindle gouge, and then start putting them in. Once you got a shape that you like, it's time for some sanding and finishing. I'm using some sandpaper strips that go up to 600. You can get these at a store like Woodcraft or just from Amazon. After using those sanding strips up to 600, I'll use our Alumilite polishing kit and take my time at each step. It's a lot of grits to work through, but the results are worth it. Using a parting tool and a handsaw, I'll remove our scoop and then sand the bottom smooth. Some CA glue to fit things together, and we're done. If you want to learn more about using Alumilite for turning, check out these videos here, or head over to our social channels to see some of the amazing projects people just like you are making every day. Till next time.